I've always been interested in solar. I like to cook. There are certain limitations depending, especially with breads, depending on what leavening agent is used. If they rely on hot steam, that they won't work in the solar ovens. I have 2 panel cookers, and they are $33 a piece. They have it's called a Global Sun Oven, and that's a box cooker. It's insulated, it has panels, it has a glass door, and that behaves almost exactly like your oven in your house. And the other cooker I have that I did buy this year is a parabolic cooker, and that's like a giant satellite dish type thing that behaves exactly like your burner on your stove, and the speed is very similar. So I find it just to be a whole lot of fun, just a lot of fun.